Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 9th May 2026. Swiggy significantly narrowed its losses to Rs 800 crore in Q4 of financial year 26, driven by a 45% revenue surge and the food delivery business quarters growth with unit economics improving, while the out-of-home business achieved its first full year of profitability. India maintained its position as the world's largest recipient of remittances, with inflows reaching $138 billion. This significant economic contribution from its 19 million strong diaspora highlights a decade-long surge driven by earnings from professionals in countries like the US and UAE. The report also notes a shift towards high-skilled migration in sectors such as technology and healthcare. Toyota anticipates a significant financial hit from the Iran war. The automaker expects the crisis to cost approximately $4.3 billion this financial year. This comes as rising costs and supply disruptions outweigh strong demand for hybrid vehicles. Toyota's full-year profit is projected to decline by a fifth. The company faces challenges from global events and trade policies. Hyundai Motor India plans to invest Rs 7,500 crore in capex by financial year 27, aiming to regain its number 2 position in the domestic passenger vehicle market. The company will launch 2 new models this year, including a mass segment electric SUV, and expects 8 to 10% growth in domestic sales and exports. Dabur India anticipates price hikes in Q1 of financial year 27 to persistent inflationary pressures, particularly in packaging materials, driven by Middle East tensions. This follows a 4% price increase already implemented. Other FMCG majors like HUL also face rising component and packaging costs, signaling a challenging cost environment despite recovering demand. Global lenders are exploring various financing options for Sun Pharmaceutical Industries' proposed $12 billion acquisition of Organon & Co. The Indian drug maker is considering swapping Organon bondholders into Sun Pharma debt and a potential euro-denominated bond. Additionally, Sun Pharma plans to raise $3 billion to $4 billion in offshore loans, with deal approvals anticipated by December. India's pharmaceutical landscape is on the verge of transformation. The country's drug regulatory body is gearing up for an overhaul with the addition of over 1,500 scientists and tech specialists. This ambitious initiative aims to streamline drug approval processes and align with international benchmarks, fostering a robust framework for pharmaceutical governance. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.